To get started with your Castle Learning assignments, you will go to castlelearning.com. When it takes you to this screen, it's going to ask for ID/email and a password. For every student, your ID will be NC290 dot followed by your lunch number. That's NC290 dot lunch number. No spaces. For password, if you've been on Castle Learning before for another teacher, then you created your own unique password and you can enter it now and hit sign in. If you can't remember your password for some reason or the password you thought you created will not work, you can ask your teacher to clear your password. If your password has been cleared, then you will create a new password just like anyone who's never been on Castle Learning before. So if you're new to Castle Learning and you need to create a password, then you don't type anything in for password. You simply hit sign in. It will ask you to select a password. This is where you can create your own password. You can make it whatever you'd like it to be. Obviously, choose something that you can remember. Then it will give you some password retrieval questions. There are several questions to choose from. I have chosen, what is your grandmother's name? My grandmother's name is Doris. The second password retrieval question that I have chosen is, what is your favorite TV show? And I have typed Young and the Restless. At the bottom, you can enter your email address if you have one. This would allow Castle Learning to email you your password and your ID in case you cannot remember them. But this part is optional. I'm going to leave that part blank. I'm going to click Submit. This will take you directly to the student homepage. You will see teachers' names that have given you Castle Learning assignments. For Algebra 1, obviously, you're going to click on Palmer's class. It should show you any incomplete assignments that you have. You have incomplete assignments for algebra. You want to click on Short Answer. This will take you to the assignments page where any incomplete assignments that you have will show up. This student has 5 assignments. 2 of those are incomplete. 3 of those have not been started. If any of these assignments have been completed, it would also show you that here, and it would show you your score. I'm going to click on one of the assignments that is incomplete. I'm going to choose Practice EOC. Once you click on that assignment, it will show you the list of questions. You'll see how many questions the assignment has. You can do the questions in order, or you can simply click on a question and it will take you directly to the question. I can go directly to question 58, directly to question 36. I'm going to answer question, let me find a question here that could be answered fairly quickly. All right, question 24 says the expression 5 is less than or equal to x minus 2 is equivalent to which of the following? And you will choose your answer. The first thing I'm going to do, I know the answer is B, but I'm going to choose an incorrect answer first just to show you what happens. So if I select A and hit accept, it will tell me your answer A is incorrect, and please try again. So it's going to give me a second opportunity to answer the question. This time I'm going to answer the question correctly. The correct answer is B. I will hit accept, and it will tell me that your answer on the retry B is correct. If you look at the bottom, it will give you a reason. So it will show you how to solve the question and give you some tips to solving the question. Also at the bottom, it will show you related vocabulary. This was an inequality problem. You can click on inequality and it will give you a quick little tutorial on the word inequality. It will give you a definition and it will give you any tips or any helpful hints that you might need when working with inequalities. You can close that. It will take you back to the assignment. I do not have to hit save. If I answer a question, even if I go back, it will save the work that I have done. So you can start an assignment and then come back to it later. You do not have to finish the assignment in one sitting. One other feature I want to show you on this introduction to CASEL Learning is the flashcard feature. So if I look at Practice EOC under Description, and then I go all the way over to the right-hand side of the screen, and I click on Flashcard, CASEL Learning has created flashcards for you that go along with this assignment. And it will give you a vocabulary word, and you can click View Definition, and it will tell you what the perimeter of a figure is. You can click Next, hit View Definition. It will explain the meaning of an exponent. And these flashcards have been selected to go with that particular assignment, so you may find the flashcards helpful. CASEL Learning has many other features that we may talk about in the future, but I think we'll leave it at that. That's just a brief introduction for how to get started with your CASEL Learning assignments.